Yeah, so I'm gonna try these out for the first time. I don't know if anybody here has had this before. I don't know if that looks like it's in reverse on the video, but anyway, it's called Bubba Burger. It's 6 gluten-free burgers, and it says I could cook it frozen. So I'm gonna see, because I forgot. Honestly, I forgot to take this out of the freezer today. So we're gonna give it a shot.
Just cooking that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for the French fries. They look like some nice patties. Yeah. Okay. Here, Pop, open up. Open. So, Pa's gonna cook this meal today. He's volunteered. Go ahead and open it up. Good. All right. So all you're going to do is put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, in the middle. Yeah. Middle. Boom, boom, boom. Watch your hands here. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
All right.
Over?
Yeah. All right. So according to that, we just let it sit there. Ooh, that's showing
Yeah.
about 350, 360, 360 degrees. I think that's pretty good. So we're just gonna let it sit there. We're gonna check up on it. Good job, Pa, so far.
Good.
Okay. All right. Got some romaine hearts, tomatoes. Chop this up. Hey, Pa, can you get 2 paper plates for me, please? And all this is part of, the business. We got to prepare fresh meals for our residents. Once in a while, like once in a blue moon, we might go and treat them to McDonald's or Burger King or something like that. But for the most part, we have to, provide good food for them. Okay, that's the lettuce and tomato. Okay, let's check out the You put these already? Good. Very good. You put all of these already? Good. Looking good so far. All right. Let it cook. All right, let's check on our residents to see how they're doing. The burgers are almost done. French fries are almost done. I've started to chop the vegetables. Let's check on them now. I know they're hungry. Hold on. Hi, Miss Annie. How are you? Are you hungry?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, you're hungry?
Yeah.
All right, good. I almost have my food. We're almost ready for the food, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Miss Evelyn, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to your hair? Huh?
Look at me.
There you go. Yeah, all right. Food is almost ready, okay? All right? All right. Okay, so I was thinking a little side dish. I'm gonna just cut up this mango. I think it's pretty much right. I'll probably use this in a smoothie later. Always gotta keep a clean surface. Okay, so we're gonna test it to see if it's cooked. I'm gonna use this thermometer. We're looking for 160 degrees Fahrenheit for a well done burger. Okay, we're showing 151. So a little bit more. Let's put these over. Yeah, 154, so a little bit longer. Just a little bit. So Pa's gonna have a seat at the table over here. Okay, let's get the food out. Okay, so now we're gonna assemble the burger
Ready to order.
for our young ladies. This is the French fries. Now, because our young ladies, I'm going to cut burgers in half for them, so it's a little bit more manageable. That looks like a nice burger. McDonald's and Burger King, eat your heart out. And then, some of these French, my hands are clean by the way, I always wash my hands. Some of these French fries. Just a little bit, they don't eat much. That is very hot.
Delicious.
It comes. Takes it out. So crema. We get the warm food.
And there we have it. That's lunch. Prepared in about, what, I'd say 45 minutes, Pa? All right. Okay, ladies.
Okay. Let,
You're okay. All right, lunch is ready.
let's go to eat.
All right.
Let's go to eat.
All right.
Okay. Good.
That's good.
It's good.
I'll get some ketchup, okay? When's the last time you had a cheeseburger?
So good food.
Good, yeah. She,
Look at that thing. Oh my
yeah,
goodness.
good.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
Look at
yeah.
that.
Would you like some ketchup on your French fries?
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. Yeah.
All right, just a little bit. Like some ketchup too?
There's something in the French fry too. Oh, thank you.
Good. All right. Enjoy, okay? All right. Enjoy.
Mm. But it smells so
You like
good.
some water? No. Good, good. Delicious, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
And dessert.
Yep. Some fresh mangoes, okay?
Mm.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Take your time, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And that's it, guys. That's lunch. Then we do this again for dinner. Not so much of a big meal, just something like maybe a soup or something. And
Yes,
that's it. Call it a
it's
night.
a biju.